So hello and how are you everybody? So welcome back after a long period of time. So really it's been a long time that I'm not uploading a video. But now I bought this laptop I think 1 month or 1.5 months ago. So today I thought that I should make a video and give you a review that how is this laptop actually in the performance, and how is the build quality, and how is the screen quality, and all of the things that I'm going to cover in this video. So stay tuned. So really it's been a long time that I have been not uploading, and because of my classes and all, I think I have uh, left the YouTube platform. But now I think I should carry on my channel and take it to the another level. But if you will be with me, the people who are watching this, so please guys, support me so that I could make new videos on new topics. So we should carry on without wasting any time. So in this I have bought this laptop. It is a laptop of HP, as you can see the logo. Okay, you can see logo. So this laptop is of HP, and its model is EQ0024AU. So this is the only laptop in my budget which I could afford. It cost me around 45k. So first of all, I will tell you the pros and cons. There is nothing more, but I will tell you that first of all, let's go to the screen. So here the screen is not that good, but it is minimal. It is not that good, it is not that bad, but for my condition, and as I am doing digital marketing and all those stuff, so it is pretty much good for me. There is no issue that I have been going through. But if you are more concerned of the screen, that you should want anti-glare or something like that, so you should not go for this laptop. And but screen doesn't matter, I think. So let's now go for the keypad. So here keypad are really good. It is really smooth. You can type anything you want with smoothie and ease way. And the trackpad here is not that smooth that the finger actually slips. So it is not that smooth, or it is not that rough. So it is kind of very comfortable, as you can say. And the speakers, here are the speakers, and the speakers are not that bad, brother. It is a very good quality speakers, that I can say. And here is the front side. I will show you. As you can see, this is the front side, HP logo as usual. Very good, I can say. But only the con is that is they have not given the backlit key. But I don't think that is a big concern of me. The people who are really doing a gaming and all, they are going in that kind of stuff, but I don't need that. It is not necessary also. So overall it is good. So I am talking about the speed. So here I will show you the boot up. I will first shut down so you can see the shutdown speed. One. So within 3 seconds you can see it, the laptop actually shut down. Within 3 seconds ये हो गया, कोई भी problem नहीं है. There is no problem which has actually occurred. And if you will see, so I'm opening it again. So within actually 3 to 4 seconds it actually opened. So in the speed, you cannot actually never regret this, because it has. So I first of all, it has. I also forgot to see the specs. So the specs are, first of all I will tell you the model. It is HP EQ0024AU. It has a spec of 8 GB RAM and 512 SSD. Okay, and it is Ryzen 5 3500U. So in speed there is not at all anything, you will never regret in speed. That is my words, definitely. And definitely. And after that I will talk about the battery as well. So battery is decent, you can say, if you are doing gaming or something. But actually I didn't bought this laptop for gaming. It is for my office work and for my little bit of work, as I am a digital marketer. So for that person, day-to-day life person, it is the best laptop. Okay, if you're for gaming, so don't go for this. You can do a decent gaming as well in the medium graphics. You can play any games in the medium graphics, that is other thing. But the battery life, it will go for 3 hours. The actually company claims of 6 hours, but it doesn't go for 6 hours. But 3 hours it will go. I'm giving you the review that I've been, which is actually very true. I'm using for at least 1.5 months, so I know how is the performance of the laptop. And the camera is decent. I'm not opening the camera, I don't want to show my face. But yeah, camera is decent and everything is actually best, brother. If you will go with this laptop, you will never regret. I take, you can take my words. But now due to this pandemic, this stock is actually not available in any of the shop. So I actually waited 15-20 days for this laptop, and it cost me 45. So brother, I don't know why people are ripping you off and taking advantage of the situation. This laptop is only worth of 40, okay, 40 or 38, and before people are taking advantage of it. So if you get this laptop at 40, take it brother. It is the best deal that you are going to do. Okay, so वैसे तो 38 से ऊपर ये लैपटॉप देना नहीं चाहिए. It is not worth. बट अगर आप दे रहे हो then it is okay. या 40 तक भी दे दो, that is not a problem, that is not an issue. लेकिन even I have saw this laptop on Amazon and Flipkart. They are selling this laptop at 50K. Oh my god, they are really, what they are doing, they are thinking that Indians are full and they will, and literally there is people who are having lack of knowledge and they are buying. So don't do this. You are educated, you are well educated, आपको पता है आपको क्या लेना चाहिए, what you want and what you don't want. So अगर आप इस लैपटॉप को 45 में लेते हो, देखो मैं तो आई वॉज इन अर्जेंट, मुझे चाहिए था, एंड सो आई बॉट दिस लैपटॉप. अब एक बंदा रुक तो नहीं सकता इतने टाइम तक. सो जिसको वर्क है वो डेफिनेटली ही विल टेक दैट, वट एवर द सेलर डिमांड्स, उसको देना पड़ेगा उतना पैसा. अब बंदा हरी में होगा तो ले लेगा, लेकिन अगर जिसको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, जिसको जो वेट कर सकता है, मैं उन लोग के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, तो 40 में अगर प्राइस डाउन हो जाएगा ठीक है. वैसे भरोसा भी नहीं है कि पेंडेमिक कम ख़त्म होगा यार और कब ये आएंगे. तो दैट इज़ लॉट ऑफ फस गोइंग ऑन. बट या 45 में अगर मिल जाए तो भी ठीक है, ले लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ, ये स्टॉक में रहते नहीं हैं एंड एक्चुअली गेट्स आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ईजीली. सो चेक इट नियर बाई योर स्टोर जहाँ पर मिलता हो. और अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस लैपटॉप, आई थिंक डिसेंट थिंग्स मैंने बता दिए. बैटरी, कीपैड, स्क्रीन, और क्या, स्पीकर्स, दिस ऑल थिंग्स मैंने बता दिए. एक डिसेंट होता है, स्पीड तो उसका कोई टेंशन नहीं है. बट या डिसेंट वर्क के लिए दिस लैपटॉप इज़ बेस्ट एंड यू कैन डू एज वेल एज गेमिंग इन मीडियम टू लो ग्राफिक्स एज वेल. सो ये for today this is enough, and if you have any doubt, please you can ask me in the comment section, and I will definitely try my best to give you the answers of particular thing. If I have really forgot something, if you have any doubt, yeah, you can ask fully anything, and definitely I will be there to give you answers. And if you want any other topic to make me next, so just comment me below. And guys, if you like this video, so please like कर देना. वैसे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, अच्छा वीडियो होता है तो लोग अपने आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं. बट yeah, my channel and like this video if you like the video. And yeah, see you next time. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.